Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl TS410. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything, I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Alright guys, you know, in case you knew, I take everything apart like that. I can show you not only the inside, I can show you the piston and everything because I like to be fair. Like that, when you receive the machine, you're fair too with me. That's the whole idea, we're in business. And also remember, selling broken parts. This is a broken machine. This machine, so that has to have something, of course, or maybe not, because the way I buy them, but it's fine. For me, they are damaged and they are broken equipment. I don't know what you want to think, that's fine with you. But I sell for parts. If you're trying to fix this equipment, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because they're damaged. Alright guys, let's see it. See what we got going on here. Oh my God, look at you, look at you. Look at you. Oh wow, look at that guys. We still got me and the bone, eh? Alright, let's see what we got here. So it looks decent inside. You can see the car there also good. Yeah, you can tell it's being used, but it's still, you know, not that used. Let me see the front wheel, how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. We're good here. Out of that, it looks acceleration. Oh, let me see from here. I took the. You don't want to see it now, but we throw the flats. It's gonna be a little better, okay? Let me hit it. Remember, guys, we're gonna try to get it a start, okay? To see if we can get something out of the machine. Remember, I take everything apart like that. We're going to throw a little pressure liquid down that way to see where we are. Alright, enough is enough. It's business. Let me check the gasoline. I haven't checked it. Right, I just begin. This is my second machine. Sometimes I do it before I do the video. No, I don't think this baby has nothing. Let me put in my little pressure liquid. The 3 or 5 minutes. You know, this mix is designed here by the 305. This is good stuff, guys. Let me see if you're watching a little there. I don't know what I have to do. Move a little bit over there. Maybe you can see from far away. Let me see if it's better. Maybe I'm too close. Right there. Let me put this a little off. We're just putting gas. It's not like I'm teaching you and you're learning something, but you know how it is. Look at that color, huh? Telling you some good stuff. Alright, we got it, guys. Alright, we're gonna, let's see. Yeah, we're good. Let me get a little of the, then this gas here goes up, and I got a lot of these that I change it. When I see gas drop, I go change it quick. I don't like to be with that smell. Alright, let's hit it here. Let me see if you're watching the little thing on 2 down now. With 2 up. Okay, let's go down then. We're gonna hit the, here. Alright. I can see already we have a problem. I don't see the gasoline going, but this thing is not good either. Look at that, it's a mess. That means we're gonna go straight to the point, guys. We're gonna put a little of the pressure liquid straight to the bone. You know what I mean? Alright, I think with that little bit we can do it. Let's leave it around here. Let's go. Let me see if you can pick there. Yeah, you can pick it. Alright, this is off, I think. Choke, this is half choke. Let's choke it. I don't know if I'm on here, it's off. Yeah, okay, off will be in the top. Oh my God, the same thing the other day. Nobody touched me nothing. You see, every time I start video, guys, I haven't put the handle. Oh, come on, we cannot keep going like this, man. This is not good for business, like my friend from the corner says, not good for business. Unbelievable, fumero. Look at you. Oh, I'm putting it on the wrong place too. No, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You know? Guys, something on Fridays down here in Miami, man. We lost control. I don't know why. Alright, we got it. Wasn't nothing, guys, just a little. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, you haven't put the spark plug here? Oh man, Robert, why you smoking, man? Come on, nobody touched me nothing, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm gonna use one of mine. This will do it. I like this, use this baby. Alright, we got it, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Come on, mama, you can do it. Alright, we're up in there. We're here. I think we're good. Let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, my ears. She's alive. Alright, welcome back. Welcome back, baby. Welcome back. We're here. We got you. Guys, in case you ask yourself how in Pond she came like that, you know. She's gonna live like that, you know, as a, you know, who knows, but it represents something. She's gonna leave it for you guys to. Alright, guys, you got it here so far. We know the handle works. We know the coil works. We know flywheel works. Out of that, you know the rest how it is. I show you at least inside, you know, I saw for parts, this is a broken machine, this is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix it, you're making a big mistake. Alright, thank you guys. I got more equipments, I got more, you just don't have the time. I'm trying my best, okay? Thank you guys. The problem is I work at 9, this is my hobby. I know, I wish I can do it 100%, I can't, you know, I'm not there yet. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, ya vieron, la niña está peligrosa, peligrosa. Ahí le di un poquito ahí para que nada más vieran que por lo menos la jaladera funciona, la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. Recuérdense, si usted es nuevo en mi canal, que yo desarmo todo para que tengan una mejor idea de yo ser lo más honesto que puedo con ustedes, para que ustedes lo sean conmigo. De lo que es adentro, lo que es equipo, ¿me entiende? Más o menos el pistón. Ustedes ven que yo me trato de, vuelvo y repito, de enseñarle un poquito más allá, solo para crearle una confianza entre nosotros. Bueno, mi gente, nos vemos. ¿Para qué hablar más? Vamos a tirar buenas fotos y ponerlo todo. Ya saben, que se una la raza. Por favor, síganme en mi canal y aquí estamos. Gracias.